Beautifully updated 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom condo located in Towers of Port Royale. This is a private, guard-gated community. Split floor plan with tile floors throughout and modern lighting. Kitchen features custom cabinetry, stainless steel refrigerator and convection oven with microwave. The primary bedroom features an ensuite with a large walk-in closet with custom built-in shelving and drawers. Marina views from your balcony. Washer and dryer in unit. Resort-style amenities including library, gym, barbecue area, heated pool, tennis courts. Covered garage parking. Association fee includes Wi-Fi, cable TV, water, sewer, trash, common area maintenance and security. Currently there is a waiting list for boat slips. Close to restaurants, shopping, local marina and beaches. Owner financing available.